Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Life Talk. Today we will unbox brand new Samsung SSD 870 EVO SATA 2.5 inch. So let's begin. As you can see, here we have one Samsung SSD 870 EVO which has size of 1 terabyte. Apart from that, company has mentioned read speed and write speed of SSD. The read speed is up to 560 MB per second and the write speed is up to 530 MB per second. Now, if you see the back side of the box, then we can see model number or model code, that is MZ77E1T0BW. Moreover, the company has mentioned capacity, which is 1 terabyte, month and year of manufacturing. The Samsung is giving 5 years limited warranty. To access this warranty, you need to visit the Samsung website and register your SSD with the given serial number. Let's now unbox the SSD. Here you can see the installation guide and Samsung SSD. If we talk about installation guide first, then it contains how we can use the SSD in different language. Here you need a USB to SATA cable, which is not included in the box. You need to purchase it separately. Generally, SATA cable will be used to transfer the data from HDD to SSD. Moreover, if you want to use your SSD as external drive, then you require SATA cable. Here Samsung has introduced one software called Samsung Magician. To download this software, you need to go to the Samsung's website as mentioned over here and install it. By that software, you can use the different features of Samsung SSD, that is drive health, firmware upgrade, rapid mode and secure erase. Moreover, Samsung has mentioned that you need to download one data migration software from Samsung's website. That software will be helped to transfer your data from HDD to SSD. Now let's talk about Samsung SSD. It is lightweight. At the back side of the SSD, company has mentioned the make and model of SSD. For the security reason, I have hidden the serial number, which is under this orange sticker. You will be required that serial number to register your product. So this was the unboxing video of Samsung SSD. To see more videos like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.